Now look at this example. X squared plus 8x minus 3. The coefficient of x is 8 here. So the half of it is 4. Then we take 4 square and then subtract. Look at this. X squared plus 8x plus 4 squared. Half of this is 4 plus 4 squared minus 4 squared. We added and subtracted. This minus 3 is coming here. Then we take the first three terms and write it as a complete square. X plus 4 whole thing squared. Look at the sign here, and the same sign has come here. This minus 4 squared is always out of this bracket, and minus 3 is coming here. So now we will simplify these two terms. This is minus 16, minus 3 is minus 19. So we have written it as x plus 4 squared minus 19. This x plus 4 squared minus 19 is the quadratic, complete square form of this quadratic x squared plus 8x minus 3. We'll go into another example. Example number 5. T squared plus 3t minus 1. Now we were having x all this time, so we can be anything. So here the coefficient is 3. So half of 3 is 3 over 2. Half of 3 is 3 over 2. Right? Half into 3 is 3 over 2. In the earlier examples, I need not to explain like this because it was a whole number, divisible number, so we could divide it. But here 3 over 2 squared minus 3 over 2 squared. Then these three terms will come inside the bracket as t plus 3 t plus 3 over 2 squared minus 3 over 2 squared minus 1. So we can simplify here. This is minus 13 over 4. Do you understand how did this minus 13 over 4 come? I will explain it here a little bit. Look at this. This is complete square format of this one. You know that statement by this time. I will explain this. How did this become 30 minus 13 over 4? For some children this should be silly, but there could be children who need a little bit of help. So pardon me, those who good at this. This is 9 minus 9 over 4. Minus 1 could be written as minus 4 over 4 because of this. So when you take this minus 9 minus 4 over 4, this is equal to minus 13 over 4. Okay, this is how this minus 13 over 4 came. Now did you understand that, children? So we will